Hey there, friends. Today we are going to do an unboxing of the Bald Buddy made by the Cut Buddy. My husband has been bald for 28 years, well, nearly. The week after we got married, he wanted to shave his head, and we've been married almost 28 years come July. So we have suffered through plenty of scrapes and ingrown hairs and cuts and nicks to his big bald head. Every week he shaves probably twice a week with just a straight razor. And so I picked up this Bald Buddy. The box is a cute design. So I'm hoping it was the right choice. What appealed to me about the Bald Buddy is the ability to use it on the chest, on the neck, on the head. Came with some free shaving cream. Also inside the box is the Bald Buddy itself. Now the Bald Buddy has 5 rotating blades, and these are super thin blades to help cut down on the ingrown hairs and the nicks and the cuts. And with precision cutting, it gives you a really good, close, smooth shade. So you can see those pop this handle off, and it kind of bounced just a little bit, and I think that helps go with the groove of the head. Fortunately, I don't have to shave my head, so I'm gonna make my husband do this part. Also comes with the charging adapter. It's just a USB adapter, and then also, of course, the charging cord that you need to charge it up. So before we get into the shaving part, we are going to stop and charge this for about 2 hours, because that's what's recommended. So my husband here is prepping his head, and I think he's on a 5-day scruff going on, and so it's actually quite long. He's going to apply the free shaving cream. It's a 3-ounce bottle, and it's designed for coarse hair and infused with jojoba, tea tree, and eucalyptus. And so it smells quite minty, it smells quite nice. He did comment that it does make his head kind of cool in feeling. Now the lotion recommends that you leave it on for just about a minute before you try shaving your head. So work up a pretty good lather. And of course our time lapse that he's begun shaving just in circular small motions, and it seems to be cutting pretty well. Right there on that side, he is known to get a pretty good nick, and at this point he has not got one from a scar, so it seems to be working pretty well, and he's got a pretty good sized bald head, so this does take a few minutes for him to get through. He did rinse it off in water a couple times, and it seemed to let loose a lot of hair, so it seems to cut pretty well. He does have a ginormous head, so again, this is going to take a few minutes, and thank goodness, because this charger has a 75-minute charge hold to it. So realistically, it probably takes him about 3 to 5 minutes to completely get through his head, depending on how long he leaves it. And of course, here's our final look, nice and shaved. He did irritate one little spot, which is better than the 5 or 6 spots that he usually ends up with. So overall, he's pretty excited about his Father's Day gift.